बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करते हैं ऑन क्लोथ्स एंड आउटफिट, दिस पैंट, दैट टॉप, दैट ड्रेस, दिस बैकलेस ड्रेस, दैट short dress or that short skirt, but we don't eventually think about our lingerie. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the whole ultimate lingerie guide, where I'm going to tell you in details what should you wear under what. So मैंने categories में यहाँ पे divide किया है. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanishika. Talk about thongs and panties. Have you ever seen the actresses or celebrities wear their bodycon dress and perfect that slim pant, and they don't have any panty lines, they don't show any panty lines, and it's all perfectly fitted and it looks so smooth when you see from behind. Why? Because they wear thongs and nothing else. So let's know what is the difference between thongs and panties. Panties are normal panties that we wear in everyday basis. In panties there are different types of panties. One is satin category, one is lace category, and the third one, which is the most common one, is the cotton category. Cotton category is the very common one. 90% I think most of them wear cotton panties, which are very much thick material and heavy fabric, whereas the satin one is the most recommended one if you want to wear panties, not thongs, because satin panties are very thin material and they can slim with your outfit and it does not leave that much of panty lines, and also it is very easy to use and wear. Whereas lace panties are for occasional times, you can wear or not wear, that is up to you. It's absolutely occasional and not for daily base uses. Now let's talk about thongs. What are thongs? Thongs are made to avoid VPL, which is visible panty lines, and they are made to only cover the genital area and leave the buttocks uncovered. One of the biggest reasons why women or girls invest in good quality and branded thongs or G-strings is because since they are made of thin fabrics, edges are not raised and the thongs fit on their body like a second skin, and of course you don't have to worry about your panty lines. So there are 4 types of thongs that are available, which are G-string, Tanga, T-back, and micro thong. I should tell you the brand Calvin Klein has best thongs, so you should invest in that. I know sometimes wearing thongs can be very difficult and uncomfortable, but if you are somebody who can, get yourself accustomed with it, then it's the best thing because it does not leave your panty lines and you can wear your tights, leggings, or bodycon dresses perfectly. Well, to have the accurate and the perfect shapewear is very important according to your body type. You know your styling and your body type, then it is absolutely necessary to have your perfect shapewear, because sometimes when we wear those bodycon dresses or any kind of different other dresses like A-line, if you tend to avoid wearing shapewear, then those dresses cannot look sometimes good on you. Let me tell you, a shapewear is very important because it actually makes your dress looks good. It's like a necessity, like a bra or panties. It's also like a necessity for making your outfit look more prominent, more complete, and also to make look more confident. So there are mainly 3 types of shapewear. First is waist cincher. Now in waist cincher, it works wonder with flowy fabrics. It's seamless. You don't need to wear any underwear with this if you're wearing your waist cincher. So buying a waist cincher according to your size is very important. You can roll down if it is not brought in your size. Next shapewear is full body shapewear. Full body shapewear comes in 2 types, one with the inbuilt bra and another one without the inbuilt bra. The inbuilt bra, it actually works like a romper or a proper shapewear where you don't have to think about the bra or the thigh or the waist area. It all perfectly fits. If you're wearing something like corset or bodycon dress, it works perfectly with that. With the non-inbuilt bra, you can think about the bra, what you want to wear with what outfit. And for the cons, there is no cons for full body shapewear. Absolutely, you can invest all your beautiful money on a branded, good quality full body shapewear. The last type of shapewear is thighs and waist cincher. Now, with the name suggests, you can understand how it works. You can wear it with high waist pants to give you that tone look. You can also wear under skirts or long gowns or any dresses to avoid cuffing. So the women have wide and big thighs, and it is difficult to wear shorts or skirts or sometimes like flowy dresses because in a thigh the skin they rub against each other and it's very difficult to walk. So that is called cuffing. Now for all this shapewear, it's recommended to buy your own skin color shapewear, like if you're going for the skin color. And for safer side, you can wear black if you're wondering what shapewear to wear under your skirts or dress or anything. Let's move on to types of bras you should wear under different tops. First one is very common, you know, that is the t-shirt bra. It is the most common bra. You should have at least black, neutral and white color of t-shirt bras at least. It's a daily use of bra you can wear under your t-shirt or your shirt, and it gives full coverage, full support. So that is the most common bra. Next one is bralette. Now bralette, you can wear bralette under your shirt. If you're wearing a loose shirt or anything, you can wear bralette under your shirt. It's a great one. You can find varieties of designable bralette with laces and everything. You can wear that under your transparent cloth as well to make a design statement. Next up is strapless bra or tube bra. Now whenever you're wearing something, some top or dresses which is strapless, it's off shoulder or something like a tube dress or tube top, then you can opt for these kind of strapless bra or tube bra. Now strapless bra, it has strap in it at the back, so you can add, adjust and wear. And for the tube bra, there is no strap, it's like a proper elastic. And one more thing, some people think that they have heavy bust and they can't wear strapless bra or tube bra. For the tube bra, I can say that for heavy bust you can avoid wearing tube bra, but if you invest in good quality strapless bra, then you can definitely wear even if you're heavy busted and there is nothing to worry about. Next up is the plunge bra. It's also very common whenever we wear any kind of dresses or tops that has very deep neck, like a V neck or a very deep neck. Plunge bra is essentially recommended to wear under all these kind of top or dresses. Next up is low back bra. Now there are sometimes these kind of bra which has the back strap is very low. So if you're wearing any kind of dress that has backless, then you can go for all these low back bra. Now sometimes all those dresses, those modern and very fancy dresses, the back is very deep, like you can't even wear your low back bra because the stripes might be visible from the side or from the back. Then you can go for adhesive bra or nipple pasties. Now again, people will say that they have heavy bust and all and they can't wear nipple pasties or adhesive bras. So there are types of adhesive bras that can be wear even if you're heavy waisted and the gum is very sticky, it will hold it and it will not fell off, I mean, if you're afraid of that. Next up is push-up bra. Now push-up bra is also very common. If you're wearing blouse or any kind of top, then you can wear your push-up bra. It is recommended for people for small bust to wear push-up bra, because for whenever you're wearing a blouse or a tight top, push-up bra will give you that proper shape. Last one is sports bra. We all know sports bra, that is full fitted, and we often wear sports bra at gym or whenever we are working out. Sports bra are the comfortable ones, the most comfortable ones I would say, and it always comes with padded, where you can wear under your tank top or your t-shirt or gym top, or even if you're comfortable then you can only wear your sports bra. It is wear whenever you're working out at gym or exercising or doing any kind of sports. Sports bra, it is very important. You have to keep 3 things in mind before buying a sports bra. That the band should be thicker to give you proper support. It should be padded obviously, and never go for size smaller. Always go for your perfect size, never go for size small. There are 3 types of sports bra. First one is the high support bra, second is the medium support bra, and the third one is the low support bra. So how you will understand the difference, which is the high support and medium and low. For the high support, the band are very thick and very strong. The width is very strong, very tight. You eventually do not have to wear anything over the high support sports bra, and it is used for major activities like running, jumping, mountain climbing. Next is medium support sports bra. The stripes border are not thicker, it's like medium. You can understand the difference. It gives you light coverage, is mainly tighter to your body, and we use medium support bra for dancing and normal workout like yoga or gym for that. Lastly is the low support bra. It is light-weighted, it is narrower and made of very soft material. So in the low support, the stripes are narrower, pretty much understand from the stripes. And also people tend to wear low support sports bra sometimes when they have small bust and they don't want to wear these kind of stripes bra or bra with pins, and they want to wear something like above the top kind of bra. They can opt for low support sports. All these types of sports bra you can understand which is the high, medium or low by seeing the straps and the quality. So that's it guys, that's the end of today's video, and in the description I will mention all the shapewear thongs and bras that I have discussed in the whole video. Will give you all the links. You can click that and buy if you want to buy any of this purchase. And also I would recommend you're somebody who are going to buy for the first time or something like that, don't go for online, go for offline stores and shop from there. Give a proper trial and shop from there. That will be very much helpful. That's it guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay fashionable, don't forget to buy your laundry.